Okay, so one of my viewers on YouTube named Carole8691 is having problems with their Acer Spire laptop. Now, I don't know what the model number is, but my Acer Spire is a 5050. Oh, that's cool. It works 50% of the time. It's a 50-50 chance you're gonna get it to work properly. I know everything about this particular laptop and the laptops that look just like it. There's an older model that doesn't have a built-in webcam. I can't remember the model number, but I know what it looks like and I know the problems with it. This one I've had for only 2 years, and it's given me hell, and I can give you all the pros and cons about it. I can give you how durable it is, and trust me, it's not durable at all. It's a cheap plastic piece of crap. I love my Toshiba laptop. This one's awesome. Loving it. So anyway, this laptop has been a big troublemaker. I've had to fix this thing so many times that it's not even worth selling to anyone. Heck, I can't even use a DVD burner on it because half of the motherboard isn't working. So I was hoping to sell this thing one day, but I can't now. It's useless. So, Carole8691 is having a problem with their power button. Now, the power button is usually the first thing to go. When the owner of this computer bought it brand new, everything worked on it. The mouse button worked. Now it sort of doesn't. The keyboard worked, but the keyboard is half dead, so when you type, it kind of skips a few letters, and then you have to press the button again, then the letter will pop up. And they gave it to me because the hard drive died. Got a new hard drive, and it was simple. The battery was going bad, and now the DVD drives don't work in this, no matter which one. And the very last thing to go was the power button. One day I pushed the power button, it didn't turn on, so I had to press it really hard, and then I got it to turn on. After doing that from 1 week to the second week, I push the button really hard, the button snaps right off and falls inside the computer. I'm like, damn it, now my button's broken. How do I use it? I came up with a very brilliant idea. There's a screw there and a screw there. I grabbed my screwdriver kit, picked the screwdriver that fits, which would be this one. Had to get the screw out. Now be careful you don't lose these, because it's important that you don't. I did make a video before, but it wasn't really that explanatory, so I'm just doing this because it was requested, and I'm always glad to help out. So make sure you keep the screws in a safe place. Put it in a Ziploc bag or anywhere that you will find them. So after that, you open up the laptop lid, make sure it's nice and flat, like that. Don't bend it too far or you'll probably snap it off. I'm gonna put these screws on the mouse pad. Okay, so now that your screen is all flat, like that, you just lift this off, slide your fingers underneath, and this comes off. Now you notice that the power button's in there. A long time ago, the power button used to attach to these things. Well, after constantly pressing the button so many times, the plastic got weak and then broke off. So now the power button just flies freely inside the computer. That's how it used to look. The plastic would attach to the button, and the button would stay attached to the plastic cover. Now, this was my brilliant idea. I've put so many things inside this computer to keep the button functional, and everything I tried did not work. So one day, So one day, I had a sticky note in my hand, and I was writing a message on it. I looked at this laptop, looked at the sticky note, I cut up the sticky note, and then folded it into a square. I put the sticky note right down into this little hole, used my screwdriver, and kind of pushed that sticky note right where the button is. And after that, I put this thing in place, like so. Gotta make sure that the button is all leveled out. It does take some time to hit the button where you want it. Then you just push down on the cover. Yeah, the button's kind of clunking around in there. So now that I have a plastic cover back on, you can see that the button is not falling around inside the computer. Now, you can't push the button like you used to. What you do is you put your thumb like that and then push. It turns on. Then push it again. Yeah, it kind of gets a little tricky though. There you go. And it turns off. So it's very simple. Like, you know, you just got to use your thumb. You can't just push the button. And it works, you know. I even did this to a customer's Acer Spire. They have one that looks just like this one, but without the webcam. took the plastic cover off and then put a piece of paper underneath. It was all folded up into a square. Just tucked it in, then put the plastic cover back on, and now they have to turn the laptop on with their thumb. And after, when you're done, you just put the screws back in and enjoy using your Acer Spire while it lasts. So if you have any questions, Carole8691. I'm just an email away. You can contact me anytime through email. And let me know if this video was any help, because if it was, that will make me feel good. If it wasn't, it won't make me feel bad. I'll just have to try explaining it a little bit better for you. Oh, I just lost the screw, damn it. Oh, found it. It's really hard doing this with one hand, but there we go. So all the screws are back in, and I can enjoy using this piece of crap while it lasts. But it's not like I'm going to use it all the time, so I got a better laptop. That's awesome. All that work was for free, and it didn't cost anything. I just used a piece of sticky note paper, and I fixed my laptop without any costs or services. I think my battery's dying. Oh yeah, 6% left. Battery sucker. Thanks for watching, everybody.